What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob. If you're new here, I do multi-apping on the east side of Cleveland part-time with Doordash and Uber Eats. Today is the Monday before Christmas, so we're gonna go until about 2:30. Right now the time is 8:43 in the morning. Part of my plan today is I'm trying to get my acceptance rate up for DoorDash. Right now I'm at 20%. I'm not taking every order because I will still not take trash. However, I will take some orders that I normally wouldn't take. So let's get to it. Let's make this pay.
I need all the wins. Yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call and quits. Yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets. Yeah. Better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stress, shield my greed. That's how I get it. Success ain't no giving. Some days I don't hit, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't want it when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposition don't amaze. The roads racing through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know that's because I've been in it. I don't need to brag. I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. Plus a family, you do the math. I'm out of my pocket. Houston, they got a proud name. Perfect, let them watch me. Elevating, got them nauseous. Cause I'm the pilot in the cockpit. Nose diving in the housing. Woo! Watch out, get ahead. Watch out, get ahead. Watch out, get ahead. Woo! Watch out, set it up. Bet you I shut it down. Watch out, get a win. I don't think they really wanna come against the winner. Got a finger run up in on a grenade. I ain't never been there when you think you compare. I'm a line, but the winner about the cage. I need all the wins. Yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call and quits. Yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets. Yeah. Better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all it is. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out. Knocked out.
Hey guys, it is 2:28, so I'm going ahead and end my day. Look at my phone. It looks like with Uber, I did 2 trips. Right now it's only showing $11.54. Still waiting on the tip from the last one I just did. DoorDash, 7 deliveries, $84.79. That's it for my day. If you like what you see, please give a thumbs up, subscribe. It doesn't hurt if you share. And that's it. I'm out. Don't let nobody stop your hustle. For real.